Hi everyone, I'm just going to go through the Dutch Reach with you very quickly. I had a couple of questions. Some of you were a little confused about what it was in the first place that I was suggesting people did. So it goes back to this video which I posted, and it's with a pupil. We're driving down the road and a gentleman, literally his door flies open, you know, it's all the way, and it narrowly missed us. And if it weren't for me, you know, grabbing the wheel very slightly and moving us away, it would have almost certainly made contact with the car. Now, as we were also in a vehicle, it probably wouldn't have been the end of the world. It would have resulted in damage, but I don't think anyone would have been injured. But the reason why we do the Dutch Reach is not just for cars, but it's primarily for cyclists. Because they are extremely vulnerable, and opening a door up on a cyclist who's trying to ride past at that particular moment is never going to be a good idea. So the Dutch Reach basically consists of you opening your door with the hand farthest from the door. So in this instance, it's our left hand. Left is best. And instead of just using your right hand, you're going to use your left, which is going to encourage your body to kind of like swing around, and together with your head, you're going to move your whole body around and look out the back and ensure that there is nothing oncoming. So with my left hand, I can now see really well over my shoulder, and I can open the door. And that's the Dutch Reach. So any more questions, please don't hesitate to message. I'm always here to help. Have a good day, guys, and stay safe.